Hey everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue, and my little doggy friends are here, and we're excited to show you some cards tonight. So we're going to have Cricut chat date night tonight at 7 o'clock, and I found this marvelous, I don't want to say I found because I actually purchased it back in the day, but I rediscovered this cartridge called Merry Everything, and there are 20 cards, 20, more than 20 cards on this cartridge. I have done 10 of them so far, and I want to show you how to put these together. They're really fun, and guess what? They're from our friends Rob and Bob over at Rob and Bob's Studio. And so what's really fun about them is that not all of them are like really super religious. There's some really playful ones here. There's some that are just general happy holidays, and just really interesting, very modern looks, different colors. And these all can be done with cardstock. Now, you could use some other different things, like I did use some foil here, but not a ton of it. I only used a couple of pieces of foil in here, and then one I did a little bit of glitter on, but it's really just not all that much. So if you have some solid cardstock, and I used 8.5 by 11 inch for all of these, and in just like an hour or two, I made these 10 cards, plus I made an extra one to show you how they go together tonight. Some of them are a little bit strange in how they go together, but I hope you can join me tonight at 7 o'clock here on Facebook Live. And let's see what else. There will be prizes. Yeah, these are really fun. I can't remember buying this cartridge, but I did, and it's called Merry Everything. And if you can't make it tonight, you can catch the replay. But there are literally over 20. I think there's like 22 cards on this cartridge, plus a bunch of other stuff. So definitely come and see. Yep, the reindeer. I love this take on the snowman. Really fun. The polar bear, and they're just all really, really fun. So I'm going to continue working, and I hope to see you tonight. Okay, so thanks for popping in with me. See you tonight. Oh, there's going to be prizes tonight. Yep, prizes tonight. And we'll see you. Oh, that's okay. You can Tasha, I see that you have date night. That's fine with your kids, and that's more important. And you can catch the replay as well. Okay? So we'll see you, if you can make it, we'll see you tonight to do all of these fun projects. There's a Santa one. I haven't done that yet. There's a penguin one. There's some Merry Christmas one. Just really fun. So we'll see you tonight. Okay, everyone? Bye.